Hello friends, this is a crochet doily pattern. In this pattern I am using cotton yarn and one crochet hook. Size is 1.5 mm. Let us start. First you make one slip knot. Make 5 chains. This is a foundation chains. 2, 3, 4 and one more 5, and join it together with slip stitch. Form a small ring. And then I am making 2 chain. Count as a first half DC stitch and make 15 more half DC stitch in this ring. Total I have 16 half DC stitch in this round. I have completed my round, and here I have attached it with slip stitch. Join it together with slip stitch and make 2 chain. Count as a first half DC stitch. Make 1 half DC stitch in the same space. Make 2 half DC in the every stitch of this round. 2 half DC stitch in each stitch. Repeat it. Then make 5 chains and skip the next stitch. Go to the next. This is a third round. Make 5 chains. This is a loop stitch pattern. 5 chains. Go to the skip the next stitch. Go to the next and make 1 single crochet stitch and repeat the same pattern in this round. This is a loop stitch pattern. Here I am making 2 chain, 1 half DC stitch and go to the last stitch and make 1 half DC. And you repeat the 5, you make 5 or 4 chains and make 1 single crochet in the next loop, then 5 or 4 chains and make 1 single crochet in the next loop and repeat it. I have completed my previous round. For next round, go to the next loop or very first loop and make 1 slip stitch or single crochet the center of the loop, and go to the next loop and make 4 DC stitch. One chain, then 4 more DC stitch in the same loop. And go to the next loop and make 1 single crochet stitch, and you repeat the same stitch or same pattern in this round. I have completed my previous round, and now I am making the go to the next round. So go to the top of this round. This is a fifth stitch. Here you make one single crochet stitch and make 10 chain stitch, and make and go to the next stitch between 4 DC stitch and make one single crochet, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. Ten chains, one single crochet, and you repeat it. Now I am making this half DC stitch in every space. Make 12 half DC stitch in every space or every loop. 12 half DC stitch. I have completed my round. Now I am making the loop stitch, so 5 chains, skip the next 2 stitches, go to the next and make one single crochet stitch, then 5 chains, and skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make one single crochet stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round, and you repeat one more round in the same stitch. This is a loop stitch, and this doily pattern is very unique pattern, and you can make it easily, and you can use this doily in your next coming Christmas celebration. And this is a very beautiful doily, and you can change your color of thread or yarn. You can use red or green color, and you can use it coasters also. I have completed my 2 round loop stitch pattern, and now I am making the 4 DC stitched 1 chain 4 DC stitch pattern. Go to the next loop with single crochet stitch, and then go to the next loop with 4 DC stitch and 1 chain, and then 4 DC stitch in the same loop. I have completed my doily, and this is a very beautiful doily, and you can make it easily. And thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel, the Crochet World.